guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and are safe. Today I want to show you some products from a very popular Indian skincare brand Eclat. You may have seen their products all over social media. I have also received some messages from you all asking me to review their products. Eclat an interesting brand because they use clinically researched formulation in their products. I think they are one of the first Indian brands to do so. They are always coming out with new products but in a good way. So I have decided to talk about 6-7 products from Eclat that I have used over the past few months. I will divide them in day and night skincare routine products. If you want to try any of these products, you can use my code to get 20% discount. Everything will be linked down below. So let's start. So first I will show you the Eclat products that I use in my daytime skincare routine. I have cleansed my face already. I'm using the Eclat Glow Tonic, which is an exfoliating toner similar to the Pixi Glow Tonic. It comes in a simple white spray bottle. Among the active ingredients are glycolic acid and lactic acid, which are good gentle exfoliants. This product should be used after cleansing and before applying serum or moisturizer. I like to spray it on a cotton pad and sweep across my face, especially around my T-zone. I don't use this every day, just once a week. If you have oily skin with lots of pores, then you can use this 4-5 times a week. After this, I am using the Eclat 5% caffeine plus 1% eye serum. It comes in a 30 ml glass bottle with a black pump. This product has 5% caffeine, which is a potent amount of this ingredient to show its effect on dark circles. It also has 1% eye cereal for reducing puffiness and other beneficial ingredients. The product has a thin, very lightweight consistency, almost water-based. 2 pumps are enough to cover the entire area around the both eyes. I like to massage it a bit to relax my eyes. It sinks in very quickly and has never caused any kind of irritation around my eyes. My daughter also uses this product for her under eye dark circles, and she has noticed a visible result with this product, which is amazing. I highly recommend this product for those who are looking to reduce their dark circles. It makes my under eyes feel fresh and nourished. After this, I regularly use the Eclat Vitamin C Serum, which is one of their best sellers. It comes in a similar glass bottle with all product details mentioned on it. This product has 20% concentration of ethyl ascorbyl phosphate, which is a derived form of vitamin C. Brands like to use this compound because it is much more stable than actual vitamin C. All Eclat serums have a pump packaging. The structure of this pump is slightly different than that of the eye serum, but it's as convenient. The product is whitish in color with a thin consistency. It has a mild fragrance that I like. As you can see, I sometimes like to apply it directly with the pump without touching it on my face. It's very easy to do so. A few pumps are enough to cover my face and neck. I gently massage the product into my skin. Vitamin C is a great ingredient to promote collagen production and tackle discoloration or uneven skin tone. The product is very lightweight but feels nourishing at the same time. It's perfect for all skin types and hasn't caused any breakouts. You should surely add this vitamin C to your daytime routine before applying a moisturizer or sunscreen. Let me show my favorite facial tool now. It's this Jade Gua Sha from Eclat. I think they also have it in quartz. It's an ancient Chinese facial tool that helps in lymphatic drainage and circulation of the face and neck. I love using it after my serums or facial oils to reduce my puffiness or redness. It makes me feel relaxed and I use it daily once or twice. I'm skipping a moisturizer because my face feels quite hydrated, so I'm directly using a sunscreen. Eclat also has some good sunscreens, but I haven't tried them so can't comment. I really love the combination of vitamin C and sunscreen. I highly recommend you to all to follow this order too. Vitamin C serum, moisturizer if needed and sunscreen. So that's all for my daytime routine using Eclat products. I'll see you at night. Hi everyone, it's time to do some night skincare. I'll start with cleansing my face. For me, skincare at night is a ritual I never skip. I like to relax and unwind while doing my routine. I take time to do it slowly and in a specific order which you will see. Some Eclat products have become an essential part of this routine over the past few months. As you can see, I am cleansing my face to remove any makeup or sunscreen that I had on. I like to use cream cleanser. I am interested to try the balm cleanser that Eclat has. Now I'll use the 0.8% retinol serum from Eclat. Comes in a similar glass bottle as other serums. This product contains retinol, ferulic acid, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Retinol is an anti-aging ingredient that alters the behavior of aged cells so they act in a youthful way. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. This serum has a similar texture as the vitamin C one. It's non-irritating and non-drying. Since it has a low concentration of retinol, it's good for beginners and can be used 4-5 times a week. I always use hyaluronic acid serum at night before applying moisturizer. This one from Eclat not only has hyaluronic acid but also alpha-arbutin and NAG which are great for reducing pigmentation. Hyaluronic acid is one of my favorite ingredients as it helps to retain moisture and helps skin stay hydrated. It's a lightweight serum with a clear gel-like texture that will suit all skin types. It feels silky and slippery but not sticky at all. It sinks into my skin easily. I have used this only for a few weeks so far. If you want, I can share a detailed review on this product after using it for another month or so. But so far, I don't have anything negative to say about this. Once again, I am using the Eclat Eye Serum to nourish my under eyes. If you want to get rid of the stubborn dark circles or puffiness under the eyes, you should use this product regularly to see the effect. At night, I like to use a facial oil to massage my face. If you have oily skin, you need not to do this, but for dry skin, this is something that will give you all the glow you need. You can use an oil-based serum instead of a separate face oil. Told you I like to take my time at night to relax and rejuvenate my skin. The best way to do that is using my gua sha again. It's such a handy tool to massage every corner of the face. Always move it at an angle in the upward direction to sculpt and massage the face. For the neck, go in the opposite direction. So guys, I have also used some moisturizer off camera, and as you can see, my skin is glowing and very hydrated. This was the order in which I use the products at night. I guess it's time to put my eye mask on and go to bed. Good night and sweet dream. I hope you found this video helpful. I love using Eclat products, especially the Gua Sha Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I would love to try their creams next. Let me know if you had tried any product from Eclat and what's your experience with them. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.